Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create new Flutter project directly from vsCode. First of all, open up the vsCode and click on this view option and click on this command palette or click on this setting icon and click on this command palette. You can get this command palette option over here also, or you can directly press Ctrl, Shift and P buttons and search for Flutter new project. Okay, type Flutter and you will get this option here. Over here, choose this option and click on this application and choose the folder where you want to save the new Flutter project. I'm going to choose the desktop. Click on it and click on this select a folder to create the new project in, and give the name. I'm going to give Flutter project 1. Okay, and hit enter and it will start to download the new Flutter project. As you can see, it's downloaded. Okay, new Flutter project has been created now. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.